Hello dear friends, welcome to Code Universe YouTube channel. In this video series, we will learn machine learning and make machine learning applications with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Machine learning is a buzzword for today's technology and it is growing very rapidly day by day. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it suggests Google Maps, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. Below are some most trending real-world applications of machine learning. Number 1. Image recognition. Image recognition is one of the most common applications of machine learning. It is used to identify objects, persons, places, digital images, etc. The popular use case of image recognition and face detection is automatic friend tagging suggestion. Facebook provides the feature of auto friend tagging suggestion. Whenever we upload a photo with our Facebook friends, then we automatically get a tagging suggestion with name and the technology behind this is machine learning's face detections and recognition algorithm. It is based on the Facebook project name DeepFace, which is responsible for face recognition and person identification in the picture. Number 2. Speech recognition. While using Google, we get an option of search by voice. It comes under speech recognition and it is a popular application of machine learning. Speech recognition is a process of converting voice instructions into text and it is also known as speech to text or computer speech recognition. At present, machine learning algorithms are widely used by various applications of speech recognition. Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa are using speech recognition technology to follow the voice instructions. Number 3. Traffic prediction. If we want to visit a new place, we take help of Google Maps, which shows as a correct path with the shortest route and predicts the traffic conditions. It predicts the traffic conditions such as whether traffic is cleared, slow moving, or heavily congested. With the help of two ways. Number 1, Waze real-time location of the vehicle from Google Map app and sensor. Number 2, Waze average time has taken on past days at the same time. Everyone who is using Google Map is helping this app to make it better. It takes information from the user and sends back to its database to improve the performance. Number 4. Product recommendations. Machine learning is widely used by various e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. for product recommendation to the user. Whenever we search for same product on Amazon, then we start getting advertisement for the same product while internet surfing and on the same browser, and this is because of machine learning. Google understands the user interest using various machine learning algorithms and suggests the product as per customer interest. As similar, when we use Netflix, we find some recommendations for entertainment series, movies, etc. And this is also done with the help of machine learning. Number 5. Self-driving cars. One of the most exciting applications of machine learning is self-driving cars. Machine learning plays a significant role in self-driving cars. Tesla, the most popular car manufacturing company, is working on self-driving car. It is using unsupervised learning method to train the car models to detect people and objects while driving. Number 6. email spam, and malware filtering. But whenever we receive a new email, it is filtered automatically as important, normal, and spam. We always receive an important mail in our inbox with important symbol and spam email in our spam box. And the technology behind this is machine learning. Now, are some spam filters using by Gmail content filter, header filter, general blacklist filter, rules-based filter, permission filters. So machine learning algorithms such as multi-layer prediction, decision tree, and Navy-Bayer classifier are used for email spam filtering and malware detection. Number 7 is a virtual personal assistant. We have various virtual personal assistants such as Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana, Siri. As the name suggests, they help us in finding the information using our voice instruction. These assistants can help us in various ways just by our voice instructions such as play music, call someone, open an email, scheduling and appointment, etc. These visual assistants use machine learning algorithms as an important part. This assistant record our voice instructions, send it over the server on cloud, and decode it using ML algorithms that act accordingly. Number 8. Stock market trading. Machine learning is widely used uh, in stock market trading. In the stock market, there is always a risk of up and downs in shares. So, for this machine learning, long short-term memory neural network is used for the prediction of stock market trends. 9. Medical diagnosis. In medical science, machine learning is used for disease diagnosis. With this, medical technology is growing very fast and able to build 3D models that can predict the exact position of lesion in the brain. It helps in finding brain tumors and other brain-related diseases easily. Basically, we make use of machine learning in such events. We will use the Python programming language in the training. You must have a basic knowledge of Python. You can gain this information with other videos on the channel. If you have any questions about education, you can always ask. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.